Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So I've been having a bit of a rough week, and I don't have a specific idea of what I want to make tonight. I just know I want to make something pretty. So we're gonna see what we got here. This is a 10 by 20 canvas, and these are all Artist Loft Flow acrylic paints mixed with Floetrol and water. And I'm gonna go with kind of rainbow colors here. We'll see what we get. I'm gonna do kind of I don't really know a name for it. Maybe a waterfall or something like that. Sometimes it's a little hard to keep up with what people are calling things these days, kind of thing, But we're gonna do lots of bright colors, and I'm even gonna throw some purple in here, because why not? Let's do a bit more white and probably a bit more blue, and then I think we're good. Okay. So what I'm gonna do is, as I'm kind of holding the canvas here, I'm going to pour. Well, actually, I'm just going to start pouring, and then I'm going to start tilting the canvas. And we're going to kind of just see what we get. Oh. There's a lot of yellow in there. All right. Well, I think this is going to be interesting. It's similar to the traveling tree ring, but almost like a reverse of it. Like the tree ring didn't travel, just the canvas did, or the paint did on the canvas. Let's see. I think I'm just gonna go for it. That's actually really cool. I really did not know what to expect with this, so I'm kind of just pleasantly surprised. I usually have some sort of an outcome in mind, but this was kind of just have fun with it, relax, let the paint flow where I just felt like it without any, overly controlling it. All right, so let's go ahead, and as usual, we'll let this sit for a bit and kind of see what it may do on its own, and then we'll do our close-up. All right, we are back, so we're gonna go ahead and do our close-up here. This is the lower right-hand corner. Moving up, I love these colors right here. Moving up to the upper right-hand corner. We've got some really cool kind of lacing effects through here, which I just think are really interesting. Over to the upper left-hand corner. And then down to the lower left-hand corner. And back. So this is definitely an interesting one. Let me know what you guys think. Yeah. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching, and I will see y'all next time.